Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to today live trading session on Monday, May 16, 2022. Getting ready for a new day, new week, 9:25 a.m. sharp, less than 5 minutes for the market to open. We already had the 9 a.m. briefing, so I hope that you watched and gave you a little bit the details on what I was looking for. Right now we are seeing Nasdaq futures, and we see some fading from the morning highs. We are not falling apart, but keeping here. Bears are trying to keep here the ball between the 80-day moving average on Nasdaq. We made this overnight. We made a kind of a double bottom here and bounced. But we stalled it, and the big question is if we are going to hold these pre-market lows or not. So my line in the sand, it will be these morning lows, okay? Bearish if we hold over, breaks below and resume down. What I'll be looking for Friday lows and Thursday lows as a possible level for a retest. But I'll be also watching if it goes above and resumes higher for a short squeeze, can push back above the 80 moving average, and we can have a day 2-3 continuation here on the bounce to clear the oversold conditions, because we still have some room to go into the 21-day moving average. That can also happen, so something to keep on watch today. One of the names that I'll be looking, I told you on the 9 a.m. briefing, it will be AMD. AMD showed very nice relative strength on Friday. I'll be looking if it was only that one day short squeeze, or if we are going to have some follow-through continuation. Right now at 94, I want to see if 94 holds, and if it's able to go from red to green, goes above 96.6 to try to go into $99 as the next level. AMD, it will be a focus. NVDA, Netflix, it will be also a focus. It's gapping up, less than 3 minutes for the market to open, guys. Netflix is gapping up this morning at 192. It was at 193 some minutes ago, fading. I want to see if it breaks below 192, can go down $5 to fill the gap at 187.7. Something that I'll be looking, and below that can go very ugly. But if it holds above 192 and if it push higher, has room to go into 195, $200. That's the next biggest zone in my opinion. Of course, I'll be looking for the cubes right at $300. Okay, that's the level that separates bulls from bears. $300. Bears needs to push price below $300. Okay, and below $300 we have 298, and below that we have Friday lows 294, and we roll over. But if they push above 303 on the cubes, if they push from red to green above 303, we have room to go into 310, 315 as the 21-day moving average, the next target. Same thing with the SPY, less than 2 minutes for the market open, guys. Same thing as the SPY, right at $400 as we speak. $400 is the line that separates bulls from bears. Bulls needs to push back above $400, try to break 403 to go into 410, 415. That's 415 where we have 21-day moving average, but needs to push above 403 to go. Otherwise, if it fails to hold $400, we have 395. That's the biggest support zone, and below that 390, 385 as last week lows and this year lows. Okay, so that's pretty much it that I'll be looking for clues. Dizzy part of this bounce, it's gone. Okay, it was on Thursday, 1 minute for the market to open, guys. On Thursday, when we kind of felt a little bit of capitulation, okay, and we roll over, spike down, some nice volume. That felt like a bottom, at least on the short term. We had the bounce on Friday. The question is, and we stalled right at the 80 moving average. The question is, are we going for a day 2-3 continuation or not? Okay, so 30 seconds for the market to open, entering trading mode. $20 for market to open. 15 seconds. 10. 5. Good luck, guys. So the market opened with some fading from Friday highs. Facebook fading. AMD fading. Apple trying to bounce. AMD trying to bounce. I got some calls on AMD. Oxy squeezing. Oxy some squeezing. Netflix higher. Netflix squeezing. Some bull flow on Netflix, but big premium not chasing the move. IWM some fading. IWM some fading. I got some puts on IWM. I head to the IWM. I saw the AMD above 1. Okay, AWM new lows on the day. I trim some on IWM. Tesla fading. Tesla fading. Yeah, some bear flow on Tesla. Tesla some fading. Tesla some more bear flow. Tesla fading on some bear flow. NVDA fading. Tesla new lows on the day. NVIDIA fading. Yeah, Tesla going fast down now on bear flow, guys. Careful. Netflix I'm fading. Microsoft fading. Microsoft some fading. Boeing bouncing. AMD. AMD trying to hold the 21-day moving average. Facebook goes red to green. Got some Facebook calls. Sold IWM. IWM some squeezing now. Got some IWM calls. So I add some more to IWM. So right now we are long IWM and Facebook. Facebook going. Facebook going. Facebook going. Facebook new highs on the day. I trim some on Facebook. I trim some on IWM. Yeah, Facebook going fast now. Here we go. That's it. That's it. Here we go. Trimming some more on Facebook. Here we go. 50% now, guys. I trim some IWM. AMD goes red to green following our calls. Oxy new highs on the day. Not chasing the move, but seeing some bull flow. Buying new highs on the day. Bull flow on buying, guys. Not chasing the move, but some bull flow on buying. Okay, IWM goes red to green. AMD pushing. Buying going, guys. Buying going. Facebook new highs on the day. Trim some more on IWM. I trim some more on Facebook. Take trades, guys. Take trades. Apple bouncing. Apple bouncing. I add some to IWM. Okay, I sold the IWM. I sold the Facebook, lock the gains. AMD goes red. Facebook some fading. I got some puts on Facebook. This market is all over the place. Jesus. IWM fading now. I head to the Facebook short. I had some more. Netflix filling the gap. IWM fading now. Jesus, action all over the place. IWM new lows on the day. Some bear flow now on IWM. Okay, trimming some on Facebook. Take trades, guys. Facebook goes green to red. Facebook goes green to red, fading now. So for now, action all over the place. We start the day with AMD calls. Though was for a bit, but then price got rejected. I closed. We also got IWM puts, and I close. We ride the calls, then they push it back down, making new lows as we speak on IWM. IWM has a gap to fill at 174. That was the trading plan from the start of the day. But yeah, they shook the tree. IWM new lows on the day. The gap fills at 174. AMD bouncing now. This market is all over the place. Microsoft fading, Microsoft heavy. Tesla trying to hold 745. But very, very tricky market, guys. JP Morgan fading. IWM bouncing now. IWM bouncing. AMD new highs on the day and pushing. NVDA bouncing. NVDA bouncing. NVDA new highs on the day. I got some calls on NVIDIA. I had some more to NVIDIA. I sold Facebook. add to NVIDIA. I add some more on NVIDIA. AMD new highs on the day. Apple trying to hold 145. AMD trying to hold 95. Add some more to NVIDIA. Buying some fading now. I have more on NVIDIA. Facebook fading. IWM trying to hold 177 now. But market very slow. Very hard. IWM bouncing now. This market all over the place. IWM trying to bounce. IWM trying to bounce. IWM bouncing now. IWM bouncing, NVIDIA bouncing. NVIDIA bouncing, AMD bouncing. Okay, AMD trying to break. AMD bouncing. AMD going. AMD going. I trimmed some on NVDA. IWM trying to bounce now. IWM bouncing now. IWM bouncing. AMD going. AMD going, following our calls. Well done, guys. Trim and trail, guys. Trimming some on NVDA. AMD, new highs on day. NVIDIA going now. NVIDIA going. Come on, guys, push. Push. IWM bouncing. Tesla bouncing. Come on, you can do it. Come on. AMD going. Come on, guys. Come on. AMD going. NVIDIA new highs on the day. Here we go. Here we go. NVIDIA new highs on the day. It was a nice head on those longs, guys. Trimming some more. Nice head. Not easy. Not easy. IWM squeezing now. IWM squeezing now. Some bull flow on IWM. Okay, some bull flow. NVIDIA going new highs on the day. Needs above 180. NVIDIA needs above 180. Tesla bouncing from the lows. Tesla bouncing from the lows. Some bull flow on Tesla now. AMD keeps holding strong so far. AMD, nice trade, guys. Okay, NVIDIA trying to be some patient. Tesla going. Tesla going, guys. Market going. AMD new highs on the day. IWM new highs on the day now. AMD going. Very slow and choppy action now. Netflix bounced, did not fill the gap. AMD going strong now. AMD going strong on our calls from early. So we got the calls on AMD early in the morning at $1, right now at 2. So yep, they doubled. Congratulations if you held. But it was not easy. Not easy at all. But nice on AMD. Not easy. AMD already above Friday highs. Very, very choppy. SPY trying to hold $400. So far inside action on SPY, IWM and cubes. Tesla going on bull flow. And going, new highs on the day on Tesla. And Tesla going, new highs on the day. Bull flow. Tesla going on bull flow. 745. 745 is your level so far on Tesla. Apple bouncing. Apple bouncing. Bull flow on Apple. NVDA goes red to green. NVDA goes red to green, guys. AMD is showing some relative strength so far. Microsoft so far holding 255. Microsoft so far holding 255. AMD keeps pushing. Tesla has room to go into $800. AMD was the star of the day, guys. We got the calls 100 on AMD at $1 early. They gone all the way above 2. So congratulations. I closed mine way too soon, but the morning action was not easy at all. Action all over the place. We got some nice profits on Facebook calls. Then we flip into Facebook puts. We closed as the lows held and bounced. NVDA new highs on the day. NVIDIA needs above 180. Above 180 can run $10. Tesla needs above 780 to try to go into $800. But not easy at all. Slow and choppy. IWM, new highs on the day. Apple, new highs on the day. Apple needs above 148, try to go into 150. 150 is the 8-day moving average and the biggest level, guys. NVIDIA going. Okay, NVIDIA going. NVIDIA needs above 180. Above 180 can run $10 into 190. I got some calls on Tilray. Got some calls on Tilray. Tilray new highs on the day. AMD new highs on the day. AMD keeps going, guys. Big move on AMD. Big move on AMD. Congratulations, everyone. I trimmed some more on NVIDIA. So we got out of the gate, we got calls on AMD, calls 100 at $1. They are right now at 222. So congratulations, everyone. Closed mine way too soon. Okay, I sold Tilray. Not much. Pretty much flat. NVIDIA now. This market is all over the place. Trying to be patient here with NVIDIA. It was a big scalp, trying to be patient. NVIDIA needs above 179. AMD keeps going. AMD has a gap to fill at $100. AMD going fast. AMD keeps going. Congratulations, everyone. I'm trying to be patient here with NVIDIA. But the action is very slow. Volatility keeps fading. Apple also. Bull flow on Apple. Okay. AMD going, AMD exploding now, 98. NVIDIA new highs on the day. Here we go, guys. Come on, push. Push. Come on. AMD, NVIDIA new highs on the day. Volatility fading. Apple also going, AMD going. AMD is just a beast. Our calls from early at $1, right now at $2.45 as we speak, $2.46, $2.47, and going to $2.48, and yeah, gone. Congratulations to the longs. 250. So those calls from $1 to 250. 150% gains. Congratulations. Should have held. Happens. Really big move on AMD from last week. Lows $83, right now 98. SPY inside day so far. SPY needs above 403. Cubes inside action also needs above 303 also. The range is getting very tight on SPY and on the cubes. IWM above Friday highs. Microsoft trying to hold 255. Netflix all over the place, really not much to say. Not much to do here. Choppy action. I sold the rest on NVDA. This market is all over the place. Very choppy action. Very slow and choppy action. Is the kind of action that you should do less. Got some puts on IWM. I had small at 90s now, but this market is all over the place. They are killing the premium. Okay, AWM, some fading now. And some more on IWM. Tesla fading now. These markets all over the place. AMD, some fading from the eyes. IWM goes back into the red. Okay, let's see. Trying to be some patient, but this market is tough today, guys. This market is tough. Okay, it's just a summary. We are short on IWM. Needs below 175. IWM failing. So a summary, we are short on IWM, guys. Trimming some, IWM. Trying to be patient, taking trades. Not an easy market. We need to be very precise on the entries. It's crazy. But it is what it is. No one can really control the market. So not much we can do. We can only manage our risk, reduce the size on the trades, trying to generate some cash flow, and trying not get caught on this choppy action. Tesla fading now. Tilray, new highs on the day, following our calls. Well done, guys. Yeah, it was good, but I close it. This market not inspiring much confidence right now. Yeah, WM Tilray at the 21-day moving average right now as we speak. Some more bull flow on Tilray. Tilray going fast now. Take profits on the way, guys. So IWM needs below 175 to fill the gap at 174, and bulls needs above 180 to try to go into 184, 185. So far, slow action. Fading from 179. We are short on IWM, guys. Trying to be patient. IWM some more fading. AMD that was strong most of the day, it's fading. So careful. Some profit taking on AMD, guys. Okay, SPY fading back below 400. 400 is the level. Okay, WM coming. Come on, guys. Come on, here we go. Come on, push. So we are short on IWM. This morning it was a tricky one, hard, action all over the place. We started the day with AMD calls, closed a bit too soon. Okay, trimming some more on IWM. It's hard to be overly confident on both longs and shorts as the market is shopping around. On IWM we have a gap to fill at 174. Trying to be patient. Apple fading again. Yeah, AMD installed at 98. Trying to be patient here. As a reminder, we are short on IWM, guys. Trying to be patient. We are holding IWM short for now. IWM has a gap to fill at 174. Needs to go below 176. Today, lows of the day. Slow choppy action. Volatility bouncing from the lows. Volatility bounce from the lows. Careful, guys. Okay, IWM coming. AMD fading. I'm trying to be patient, but this market is a choppy mess right now. The price so far on IWM was rejected at 170.79.4. Tesla back into the lows. 745, watching to see if 745 is going to hold on Tesla. NVDA fading again. Still inside day. Very, very slow and choppy action, guys. Tesla fading. 745, watch out. New lows on the day, Tesla breakdown. Tesla breakdown, bear flow, guys. Tesla breakdown. Yeah, shorts going into those puts. Short going into those puts all over the place. Amazing. So as a reminder, we are short on IWM 179.4 today, highs of the day. IWM is a gap to fill at 174. Tesla going ugly now. Tilray stalled at 21 day moving hours. Yeah, Tesla going ugly now. We are short on IWM, guys. We are short on IWM. Tesla going ugly now. Tesla going ugly on some bear flow. Some more bear flow into next week on Tesla. AMD fading. AMD, they going now into the other side of the trade, guys. They going into the other side of the trade, guys. And IWM coming. IWM coming. Come on, guys. IWM coming. So as a reminder, we are short on IWM. It was not an easy day. We start the day long AMD calls, close those calls too soon. Those calls gone for 150%. 150%. Okay, trimming some on IWM. %50 gains on IWM, guys. Okay, trying to have some more patience. So I'm trying to be patient here, but market tough. Tesla diving now on that bear flow. Tesla diving on that bear flow. Next week, bear flow, put 700, guys, on Tesla. And IWM. IWM coming. 60% gains on IWM. Come on, guys, push. We are short on IWM, guys. Come on. Come on. AMD fading fast now. AMD going fast now. AMD falling fast now. Apple also fading. Apple also fading now. Apple, new lows on the day. Yeah, market rolling over again. So as a reminder, we are short on IWM, guys. Our puts are making 70% gains as we speak. Spotify, some fading on bear volume. Spotify, some more bear flow on Spotify. I got some puts on Spotify. Spotify, some fading. New lows on the day on Spotify. Trimming some on IWM. 70% gains, guys, on IWM. Spotify fading. Spotify fading. Spotify fading. Spotify fading. Spotify, new lows on the day. Spotify new lows on the day. Okay, IWM coming. IWM coming, guys. Trimming some more on IWM. %90 on IWM as we speak. AMD goes green to red. Okay, sold spot. This market is shopping around. Very slow and choppy. Inside action. Not much to do here. Very hard to hold the trades for too long. Either longs and shorts. AMD was strong early in the day. It gave it more than 50% back from today move. Volatility spikes down, VXX. Not much to do here. Choppy and slow. MD fading again. Gave back most of the morning gains on AMD. SPY, very tight range on SPY. Boeing back into the lows, was rejected at 131. SPY now once again trying to buy the lows. Slow and choppy. AMD flat now on the day. Microsoft bouncing now from the lows. Tesla now bouncing again. Choppy action. Microsoft is showing some relative strength. $255 is level on Microsoft. Spotify bouncing now. Choppy action, guys. Once again, trying to be patient. Slow and choppy. Slow and choppy. AMD still heavy. AMD still heavy. Trying to be patient. AMD fading some more. Doing some more IWM. AWM needs below 176 to try to fill the gap at 1743. IWM needs new lows on the day to fill the gap at 1743. Very slow action. AMD big fade. SPY below $400, cubes below 300, but overall still inside a. Xerox spikes. Xerox spikes on some bull flow. Xerox spikes on some bull flow. Xerox new highs on the day. Xerox on some bull flow. New highs on the day. Xerox. IWM fading, AMD fading, AMD fading, big fade on the AMD, guys. IWM fading, needs below 176 to try to go and fill the gap at 174. Buying new lows on the day. SPY trying to hold 399. Netflix, fill the gap. I sold the rest on IWM, guys. And I'm done. It was a choppy mess. So as a summary, let's try to summarize things today. We got early in the morning, we got AMD calls for a red to green move. Those calls were the calls 100. Okay, I got calls at 1 and I took some gains and then I sold it for very small gains. It gone from 1 to 252, so congratulations to all the longs. Then we were going all over IWM. First with the puts, second with the calls. I closed both for small gains, okay, not much. And then I also got some cash flow on Facebook calls on this pop. We flip into puts and those work more or less. It was on the break even, so not much. We scalped some NVDA calls. Those calls gave some cash flow, but it started to roll over. And the ones that really were actually IWM, we got the puts 178 on IWM. We got the puts at 178. I bought those. The low of the day was at 62 cents. I have at all the way into 95 cents. It was my average. And they hit the level at 184 where I sold most, okay, above 180. And right now it's at 140 plus. The last trade was at 133. Yeah, the idea on IWM was pretty much to fill the gap at 174, but this action is getting very choppy. So be careful. I don't want to get caught, so I took the gains on IWM and I'm done for now. I'm looking for new setups. The action, if you notice on SPY, it's pretty much an inside day, very tight range, inside day on SPY. On the cubes, it's also an inside day. What inside day means? It means that basically we are below Friday highs and above Friday lows. So no real edge, we are slightly below the 8-day moving average. So not much to do here. I'm waiting, looking for new setups. I'll be closing the live trading session for now. Stay tuned on Discord. If I see anything or if I get any new trade, I will let you know on Discord. Okay, with this said, closing the live trading session. Thank you. Bye bye.